Dom do wom rashe be fiemu afa chairman no na tie adwama Lands and Natural Resources Committee no ano wom rashe be fiemu Ora Collins Dauda na won mo yen sakraye ewo Minerals and Mining Act 703 no emu sabeya adodode ye wo minerals ne mining no mu no adehye no ankasa benya so emfaso
Alaji Collins Dauda na ukomreshe bedwemu a oye dwem training di ma bedweko mo hwe nsase ni mu adodode ye wonsam so no ayen sentrefo nhye mu no de atodwa se Berari DV Ghana Limited eni aban lithium ho contract a eda ho no mu a aban etwa mu no esign ohamabu pendu se eno na oman ni benya no de won de ba mrashe bedwemu no ema ohamabu pendu mpe ya wo kire se
an agreement between the Republic of Ghana and Berari DVD Ghana Limited on lithium. In that agreement, government did not specify any percentage, but said that royalty will be paid as prescribed by law.
We odi tudwase so afọ hwen nsase ni madodode ye honsam so Emmanuel Amakofibu a edi saa contract ji beto mrahye bedwam abra wonum amwakire yi anhwe emu eyi enunti obesere se so afọ no moden na ontu anamon animu ya.
I wish to state that it is our wish that the minister presents the amendment to the act so that the committee will take the amendment alongside the agreement. It is our wish that we are able to take the two simultaneously without creating a vacuum.